Hey, it's Meat Thinker here. Today we're gonna make easy homemade beef burgers. This time I went to HEB, a local grocery store, to pick up 1 pound of ground chuck, 80% lean and 20% fat. As I like to keep it simple and easy, we're going to use only salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and an egg to make homemade burgers. So here are the ingredients for burger patties. 1 pound of ground beef, 80% lean and 20% fat. And 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, and 1 egg. Black pepper. Go ahead and mix them well and start making patties. I like to make patties by taking a handful of ground beef about the size of a tangerine. I prefer this size because if it's too big, it will take a bit longer to cook, and if it's too small, it will cook too fast and dry out. Now your burgers are ready. Go ahead and heat your smoker to 250 degrees and throw the burgers in for about 30 minutes. This is to get a bit more smoke flavor into the meat, and after 30 minutes, increase the temperature to 300 degrees to finish cooking. You should pull it when the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees. Once you get to 160, pull the burgers from the smoker and let it rest for about 10 minutes. I did make a mistake of forgetting to put cheese on the burgers, and my family did criticize me for it. Instead of putting mayo and mustard, I went ahead and made my own burger sauce. I will follow up with another video making this. Overall, the burgers had good smoke flavor, and it paired really well with the burger sauce I made. I would give it 7 out of 10 because of 2 things. I forgot to put cheese on it, and the burgers were a little dry. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out my Instagram handle at MeatThinker. Thank you for watching, and keep meat thinking.
No. Yuck, yum, yum.
Go sit. Did you wash your hands?
I washed my hands.
Did you wash your hands? Go sit down.
I washed my place.